Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a comment on a cell on Google Spreadsheets. On Google Sheets, basically. So, for instance, you want to add in a comment to this text, so select the cell you want to add in a comment to. You can either right click and press comment, or you can press insert and press comment, or the shortcut for the comment, is Control Alt M, and here you can add in a comment. For instance, change it, and then you can just press comment, and then as you can see, if I sort of hover over the cell, the comment will be there, and you can then just mark as resolved and hide the discussion, just delete it, or you can also press edit, and you can press on the comment and reply to it too, over here, for instance, okay, and then press reply. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!